In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate QuickBooks on Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or sub-account where you want this integration to be connected. This is important because integrations are often tied to the specific workspace you're currently in. Once you're on the main Gohighlevel screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page. That's where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on Settings. This is the area where you manage account level tools, connections, and configuration options. After the settings page opens, stay on the left-hand side again and find integrations. Go ahead and click that. This section is where Gohighlevel lets you connect third-party platforms, including accounting tools like QuickBooks. Now that you're inside the integrations area, move to the search bar. Using the search bar is the fastest way to find the specific app you need, especially if you have a long list of available integrations. In the search field, type in QuickBooks. Once QuickBooks appears in the results, click on Manage. This will open the integration settings for QuickBooks and give you access to the connection options. On the next screen, click Connect. At this point, a new tab will open. This is expected, so don't worry if you're redirected away from the main Gohighlevel screen for a moment. In that new tab, you'll be asked to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Enter your QuickBooks login details and continue through the authorization process. As you sign in, make sure you're using the correct QuickBooks account, especially if you manage more than one business or company file. Choosing the right account here will help prevent confusion later. After you complete the sign-in process, give it a few seconds. Once the authorization finishes, the connection between Gohighlevel and QuickBooks should be established automatically. You'll know it worked when the integration shows as connected, and that's it. Your QuickBooks account is now integrated with Gohighlevel. If you don't immediately see the connected status, give the page a quick refresh and check again. It's also a good idea to return to the integration section in Gohighlevel to confirm everything saved properly. That's the full process for connecting QuickBooks to Gohighlevel, and once it's linked, you'll be ready to move forward with your connected workflow.